you don't just need to focus on Amazon alone. You need to focus on your product. That's number 2. And then kanino mo kukunin yung product, which is Alibaba. Yun talaga yung source namin. What I do is that I innovate the product. I make sure that it's different from others, and that's how you sell it. Remember, you always study your competitors. That's number 1. Malaman mo kung ano bang hinahanap ng mga tao, the problem, because you want to solve it. So, dun ko kinuha yung opportunity ng pag-start ng product ko. Please don't believe in videos that are stating kung anong top seller na products. No, don't.
Because?
Because lahat kayo, yun ang ibibenta.
How do you make money from Amazon? What's Amazon FBA? We have a practitioner here who's been selling stuff from Amazon and selling it to different parts of the world. Check this video out.
Hi guys! Please subscribe to Marvin Germa's channel. And please smash the bell.
And stay till the end so you get to see who the subscriber of the day is.
Yep.
This video, we're gonna interview her, guys. Parang yung doctor na interview natin, sobrang yaman. Oh, humble pa. Okay, enjoy the video. Hi guys, we're with Pauline. She's into e-commerce. She's into where everything is headed now in terms of where people are buying and selling. So my question is this: how did you start into e-commerce? We had an initial video. Dun sa initial video na you said you were in the property space, you were into real estate. Why are you now dabbling into e-commerce? Go.
It's because hindi lang siya trend eh. As we can see, everyone has social media, everyone is using their mobile phones. So why not go with the flow and then rise above it? Para lang kasi sa akin, kasi what I do in social media, I don't stalk people. What I do is observe. I study what's happening. I want to be updated. And then from there, dun ko natutunan na, okay, there are a lot of people pala who are earning in e-commerce.
Okay, pero how did you start this? Kasi we had a video, one of your classmates here in Stocksmarts, sobrang yaman niya sa Shopee tsaka sa Lazada. Grabe siya. Pero what made you go into Amazon naman? Okay, and what led you into this?
Okay, I started naman kasi I really wanted to have a brand or a product. But for me kasi, I want to make an impact. I want to make a difference. Ako kasi, ang gusto ko, advocacy ko is parang eco-friendly. I want to reduce the plastic use. Yun yung gusto ko eh. And for me, if I start it abroad, I think it will grow.
Okay.
It will be known globally. So that's the only reason talaga kung ba't ako nag-Amazon.
Pero that's interesting kasi here's what people need to know also. Majority of the people who get rich in the Philippines is they create products here and they sell it to Filipinos. If you notice what the other people in other countries, kung bakit sila yumaman, Starbucks, all of the other brands, Nike, Reebok, Adidas, they manufacture products but they sell it to everyone else in the world. And sayang naman, I think Filipinos also can do something and create something that can be offered also to other parts of the world. So for those who don't know, how does it work? How do you get in and how do you start your own e-commerce? How do you call it? Platform business? Okay, how do you start it? If I don't know anything, assume, lalo na alam ko lang online trading platform. Okay, for those who don't know anything about it, how does it work naman for Amazon?
Okay.
First step, go.
Hindi. Ganito. Honestly, hindi siya madali.
Okay.
Well, wala namang madali. But,
love life.
hindi rin madali yun eh.
Okay.
Oo eh. Yung Amazon kasi, ako kasi nagkumuha ko ng mga course eh. So, I enrolled sa mga courses. Tapos I started, nanonood ako ng mga YouTube channels ng mga iba't ibang sellers ng Amazon. So that's what I do. Pero kasi sa Amazon, you don't just need to focus on Amazon alone. You need to focus on your product. That's number 2. And then kanino mo kukunin yung product, which is Alibaba. Yun talaga yung source namin.
Okay. So you buy stuff from Alibaba in bulk.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you sell it in Amazon. Pero
Correct.
for those who are not into this also, how do you differentiate what you're doing from drop shipping? That 'di ba drop shipping, there's products that you sell pero you don't have the inventory for it. You just market it for people. What's the advantages of doing what you're doing versus drop shipping?
No, this one, it's your own brand. It's your personal brand. But what I do is that I innovate the product. I make sure that it's different from others. And that's how you sell it. Remember, you always study your competitors. That's number one. Malaman mo kung ano bang hinahanap ng mga tao. The problem, because you want to solve it. So, dun ko kinuha yung opportunity ng pag-start ng product ko. Now, next is that you design it ng mas different from other people. From other people's product, I mean.
So it's specific also. What do you sell? What's your products? Are you okay to share it? Okay lang.
Silicone.
Okay. Silicone for ano? For talaga?
Silicone
Whoa.
products, yeah.
Okay, so how does it work? So how did you brand it? How did it become different from everyone else?
Because that's the parang that's the most how do you call this? That's the healthiest alternative to plastic. So doon ako nag-start. As I've said, eco-friendly.
Okay, but
that's what I wanted.
since that's also considered a commodity, how did you make yourself different from everyone else?
Of course, yung design niya. Actually, marami akong kalaban doon eh.
Okay.
But what I want is lagi kong iniisip, ano ba yung kailangan ko? At home, tinitingnan ko, ina-observe ko yung sarili ko, ano ba yung need ko? So, doon ako nag-start. And then next, I always check the reviews. Why do I check the reviews? I check for the problem. So, doon ako nag-adjust.
Okay, so that's what you're selling. Now, if I want to do it, sabi mo it's not straightforward. I have to watch, I have to learn I have to watch videos, I have to learn more about it. Pero step by step wise, what's the process of me having the ability to sell through Amazon FB? FB?
FBA.
FBA. Okay, go.
It's fulfillment by Amazon.
Fulfillment by Amazon. Okay.
First, of course, you need to know your product. That's one. Number two, you need to register, of course, to have your own account in Amazon.
Okay.
Number three, you talk to your manufacturer in Alibaba. You contact a manufacturer. Don't contact a trading company.
Because what happens when you contact a trading company?
Okay lang naman to contact a trading company, but trading company is parang mas mahal compared to a manufacturer. But ang manufacturer, mas mahirap sila kausap. Because a trading company, they're very trained to talk to other nationalities. So, mas magaling sila mag-English.
Pero magaling ka mag-Mandarin?
No.
You're not Chinese. Ano Chinese?
I have konting.
Wala masyadong alam eh. Ang wife ko magaling. Anyways, so, what's the biggest mistake that you've ever encountered going into this venture? We already know that sa stock market, massive mistakes there.
Yeah.
Pero go.
I didn't learn the product.
Okay.
Or I didn't study more about the product. I didn't research more about the product. Yung parang, di ba, there are other people, parang they're just dependent on the trend eh. No. You don't, pag sa Amazon, it's not the ratings, it's not the reviews. Sa Amazon that's not how you study a product in Amazon. You study a product in Amazon by kung anong content ng reviews. Bakit gusto ng tao to? Anong problema ng tao dito? That's how you learn.
Okay. So now, that was your mistake. So I watch videos, I open an account. Tapos how does it go? Does it always have to be from China? You said Alibaba, you ordered from China. You can't source it from other countries? Or you're saying Alibaba kasi mura?
Pero
mura sa China?
Mura.
Okay. But what if you have a product that dito lang nagagawa? You can sell that also there?
Yeah.
Or is that even better?
Yeah, okay yun.
Okay.
Pwede yun. Pero, sabi ko nga, how can you differentiate yourself from others? Ano bang meron tayo na something unique?
Okay,
Or,
for example, walang coconut doon. Gusto ko mag-export ng coconut drink na lalagay ko sa Tetra Pak. Parang ganun. Na can't be found in China.
Pero
I will
kasi-
export
pwede naman yun. Pwede naman yun. Pero of course, you have to, paano ba? Napapanis yun, right? Well, pero nasa Tetra.
Hindi. Madami na mga companies na ganun na they're exporting also.
Exporting. Well, yeah. Pwede naman yun. It really depends on how you want to differentiate yourself from others.
Okay.
Yun lang talaga.
Okay, eto pa. What do you know what's the most sellable item right now that you can easily buy from China,
Okay.
then
Eto
sell.
ha.
Okay, yan. Ito, gusto ko yung mga,
No, hindi.
tulungan mo kami
Ganito
paano.
kasi yan,
Gusto ko na
guys.
makaraos eh. Tulungan mo na ako. Totoo.
Please don't believe in videos that are stating kung anong top seller na products. No, don't.
Because?
Because lahat kayo yun ang ibibenta. So, paano ka kikita kung lahat kayo yun ang binibenta?
So you have to find something that's different para
Yes.
you can
Sa
corner the
Amazon,
market.
you need to know how to market your product well. First, di ba syempre pagka you go to their page, makikita mo kagad yung photo. That photo pa lang instantly, kailangan maganda yan, attractive yan. Pangalawa, your keywords. So, there's a lot to learn
So
in
you need to
Amazon.
know SEO also.
Well, yes, but sa mismong Amazon page pa lang, yung keywords, dyan lahat.
Okay.
So, you need to like parang yung may mga website kasi that gives that information
Okay.
eh.
Do you do ads in Amazon?
Yeah, you need
Okay.
to do ads.
What's better? Do the ads inside Amazon or do the ads in FB that will connect to your
It's
account?
market affiliate, Amazon affiliate.
Okay, meaning?
Affiliate marketing. Yung
Okay.
parang, yun
Pero-
nga, i-click mo yung...
Okay. Pero you can't do like, di ba may shop ka sa Amazon? Parang ganun. You create an FB ad, then FB ad will connect you to your shop
That's
directly.
possible.
What's better? What's more efficient? You create the ad in Amazon or you create the ad in
create
FB?
the ad in Amazon.
Ah.
Yun pa rin. Kasi you need to be on the first page eh.
Okay.
Yun talaga. But of course, if you're selling well, talagang nasa first page ka. It's automatic.
So ngayon,
Amazon will help.
But if I'm starting right now, madami na akong kalaban. A lot of people are selling already. It's too cluttered. Wala pa akong ganong kalaking budget to place ads there. What do you recommend for people who are doing this for the first time?
No, you just need to differentiate talaga yourself. Yun talaga.
Pero how will you get noticed kung wala ka pa masyadong budget pang ads, or you really at the start you spend a lot pang ads?
You need to invest in ads talaga, and at the same time the websites that I was talking about, and you need to study more about Amazon.
Okay.
Honestly, Amazon FBA is a little expensive
Because
to start,
okay,
but the returns,
better. Pero
Yeah.
yun, did you also study Amazon versus doing Shopee, Lazada na lang here? Why Amazon and not do Shopee, Lazada? Or because your goal was really to sell to the world, not to the Philippines?
to the world.
Galing, bihira tayo makakita ng ganito. Yung iba, ang daming shop sa
I want to
Shopee,
be
they're not.
globally known. I want
Talaga?
to be globally known.
Sige, what's your dream? What's your ambition?
I want to save the planet.
Talaga?
Hindi, yun talaga.
So that's why
So
all
that's
the things
why,
you're selling
are eco-friendly,
okay.
are reusable.
Guys, how do you place your margins? What's a good margin na dapat I need to get this amount of margins para sulit sa
40% and above.
Okay, 40% meaning
But if your product is very unique,
Mm.
nako, more than that talaga.
Okay, so 40% that means that I buy it for 100, I sell it for
140.
140. Okay, so laging ganun. If it's lower, what's gonna happen? If I sell it for 130, what's gonna happen to me?
Hindi, it's not ideal because of all the Amazon fees.
Okay.
Sobrang laki.
Okay.
So parang more or less parang nasa 21% ang fees.
Ha? So less that you get 19% na lang.
Hindi, 21% plus your 40. So imagine, ganun ka laki ang parang nagiging markup niya.
Okay. That's why buy Amazon stock, guys. But not now. Not now. Amazon made its run already from 600 all the way to 2,000. Wala, tapos na.
Tsaka guys,
that was
wait lang,
such an amazing run. Super.
Please,
okay.
Watch the news din, siguro, get updated. Kasi because of the China...
Trade war.
Trade
Trade war. That's one thing that's, I think, a variable
And that's why
also
I'm
there.
focusing right now on my online business here in the Philippines.
Talaga, what's your online business here? Dami mo.
Mga giveaways. Kasi Christmas na, guys.
Okay.
So
What
if
are you
guys
selling?
need-
What's your giveaway? I'll put the link below,
Yeah.
or comment below if you want to connect
Yeah.
with her shop.
Yeah.
What do you sell?
Gift ideas.
Okay.
Any gifts, but it's also eco-friendly. It's super affordable. Promise, it's super
Okay.
affordable.
Okay.
And it's very useful.
Okay, that's it.
Mhm.
May final words ka ba? Wala, no?
Wala.
Wala na? Okay, so that's it for
Be
now.
hot.
No, be hot. Humble, open,
Open,
teachable.
teachable.
But ayun, this is something that's not connected to the stock market, but we're doing this video so you get opportunities and other ideas on how you can make your money, because I may talk a lot about the stock market, but it's all about multiple streams of income. It's all about creating different assets that will work hard for you so that if you choose to stop, financial freedom is never about money. Financial freedom is all about living life at your own terms. That if you choose to stop, you can stop anytime, because you're not just limited by having active income. You're not limiting your source to just one, and you have other sources of income for you. So that's it for now.
That's why kaya ako nag-subscribe sa kanya, because he's very helpful.
No, but
he has a good heart.
hindi naman, that's why we make videos like this, because this is free. And number two, for me, I believe social media is a space. If you don't put content out there, someone else that's negative or divisive will just take that space. So sayang. That's why I try to make at least one video a day as much as I can. So yun, I hope you learned a lot from her as well, and I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. Bye bye.